Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If you've been eagerly awaiting the next big thing in tablets, you're in for a treat. We'll explore 5 major upgrades that make the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand out from the competition. Make sure to stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this cutting-edge device. First up, let's talk about the rumored changes in Samsung's tablet lineup. Traditionally, Samsung has released multiple models in their Galaxy Tab series, including standard, plus, and ultra versions. However, recent leaks from display analyst Ross Young have hinted at a major shift in strategy. According to Young, production for the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra is scheduled to start in August, with a grand unveiling expected in October. But here's the kicker. There might not be a standard Galaxy Tab S10 model at all. You heard that right. It seems Samsung could be skipping the base model entirely, focusing solely on their premium offerings. If these rumors prove true, the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup will consist only of the larger 12.4-inch and 14.6-inch models. This could be a strategic move to position the Galaxy Tab S series as a high-end premium product, targeting users who demand the very best in performance and design. One of the most exciting changes is the shift from Qualcomm to MediaTek. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is rumored to be equipped with the new MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This is a significant departure from Samsung's usual reliance on Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. Early benchmarks suggest that the Dimensity 9300 Plus. Another major upgrade to look forward to is the RAM configuration. For the base Galaxy Tab S10 models, we're sticking with 12 GB of RAM, which aligns with the previous Tab S9 series. However, the Ultra variant is set to offer an impressive 16 GB of RAM in select regions. This boost in RAM is excellent news for power users and multitasking enthusiasts, as it will enable smoother performance and better handling of demanding applications, could potentially outperform the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in certain scenarios. So, what do you think about Samsung's new direction with the Galaxy Tab S10 series? Are you excited about the potential upgrades and the shift to MediaTek? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates and in-depth analysis. We'll keep you informed on all the latest gadgets and gizmos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay tech savvy. Bye for now.